my platform. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome to Vibes with Juliana YouTube channel, and to all returning viewers and subscriber, welcome back. So girl is here now trying to work on her watch hour, and it's a long process, but I'm still hanging on. It's a long process, not gonna lie, but I know when you want good, they say your nose after run. So I guess I'm gonna make my nose run now because I know what I want. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna share myself out. Give me a minute. Welcome, 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 welcome. Like and share the stream, guys. So let me share myself out. Welcome, welcome. Hey, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Erika, welcome. Thank you so much. Guys, go ahead and like up the stream as you enter. So I just went to share myself. Oh, let me share this myself out in my group. So I have a Facebook group, right? It's called Vibes with Juliana, and persons can go there and they can also drop their link. So welcome, welcome. All right. Finally finished set up my stream now. So I'm just gonna share. Straight on Facebook. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here. Guys, go ahead, like up the stream as you enter. I'm currently trying to work on my watch hour, which method I say working on the watch hour, I don't know. Sometimes you feel like as if you wanna give up. But don't give up. Or when you feel as if you can't go on anymore, just try your best to stay relevant. It's all about staying relevant. Alright, that person here gone. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Happy Monday to each and everyone. Alright, we can drop this yet in the group. Let me copy, switch. I don't want to send no message. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I want to say happy Monday to each and everyone. Happy Monday to you guys, and I hope that you guys will have a wonderful day. You know, my day start off good because I got up early this morning. I make some beetroot and carrot juice with ginger. I have that in the fridge. And I'm just here doing a live stream, trying to grow my platform because I have nothing else to do throughout the courses of the day. So I ensure that I get up and I do everything what I have to do from early so I can able to come spend some time with you guys on YouTube. I don't know why we can't. Not sure if you see where we can get for a drop this something. Can't find it yet. I'm not able. So guys, how are you doing? Let me know where you're watching me from, guys. Thank you for that thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from. You dog them back off a people dog them back off, you know? People. You have some dogs with up on the road here. You know. They're not supposed to be on the road, you know, but what can you do? They're not supposed to be on the road because but the people them have a dog them let loose. Guys, come on the inside and get to meet and greet. Get to meet other person that you are not yet connect with. Why everybody's staying on the outside? Everybody's on the outside. Why? Welcome everyone, welcome. We have 10 person here. We only have 2 thumbs up. Guys, go ahead, thumbs up the stream as you enter. I would really appreciate it. Okay. Now, sir. One thing with YT and 2 things for certain, you know, is if you follow YT, oh gosh, you give up. But one thing, I know I'm not gonna give up. When it's just me and God alone here, I'm not giving up. That's not part of me. That's not part of me. Sometimes a little challenge is good for the soul. Sometimes I like a challenge good. Welcome everyone. Since nobody wants to talk or anything, I'm gonna just mute my mic. I make it just go and run. And that I'm gonna do. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here. Guys, go ahead and like up the stream, guys, as you come on in. I'm here currently trying to work on my hours. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Welcome everyone. Let me mute back my stream since no one wanna come in and talk. Welcome everyone, welcome. Here guys, like up the stream. Thank you so much for that thumbs up. Like up the stream guys as you come along. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. If it's the first time you're coming across my channel, welcome. And thank you so much for being here. And to all returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. So guys, I'm trying my best to start posting content. I know I'm not really post no video. I've been doing a lot of live stream. And the reason why I've been doing a lot of live stream because honestly, I don't think the videos um they watch it much or I get much views on the video. But with the live stream, I tend to get more views on the live stream and persons tend to watch the live stream more. So I'm trying to just see if I can get my channel monetized. Hopefully before the year done or so. But I would definitely love for my channel to be monetized before my birthday, July coming. So I'm trying my best to get my channel monetized. Yeah, and there are methods that I can use, because I know if I'm going at it, if I bring my channel over in a the mix up um thing, I know so the mix up video then will get me the hours. But honestly, I don't want to bring my channel over in a mix up. I don't want my channel to be in any mix up. I want my channel them to stay clean as possible. But now looking back at it, I am so sorry that I did delete my video then because I had a lot of mix up video on my channel, and I had 2,000 hours and I delete the blasted hours them. By deleting the videos, I delete all the watch hour that I do that I have. So now me have to I work on the watch hour them from scratch. And then over on my next channel, I had much in all 300 or something thousand views on my channel. And I delete the mix up video them, cut my views down. So I'm currently trying to see if I can work on these channels, see if I can get back views and get back watch hour. So it's a lot. And then you see when you don't have I don't have a team. So because I have a team for do the type of vlogs them that I would love to do, the outdoor adventurous vlogs. I have to just go and do what I can do until better come. Because I don't have no other alternative, I don't have no other alternative. I just have to just go and work with what I have for the time being. But one thing uh, it's a lot of work, especially when you're working by yourself. It's a lot. So I think I need to create a team. Not think I need to have a team. Let me guess. All right, then we're gonna go here. We're gonna do some content and stuff like that. That's the next thing that I need to work on. I've got some shirt that they are not the best type of shirts, but I'm gonna print my channel logo on it. I never really them type of shirt them really honestly want to know. But I wanted a more cotton like shirt or more like the what's you call them again, man? More like the polo shirts. I wanted like a polo shirts when I could hear. But thank you for that. I like I wanted the polo shirts when I could hear. But for print my channel pan, I'm gonna be showing you guys this what that shirt when I got. I like it one bit. Not even pull. Me not pull it out of the packet. Not even pull. I don't pull it. Right. This is the shirt. that I got. I'm gonna check it out of there. Here, this is a bit thin. I'm gonna try to put it on and see something. I never try it on, you know, because I say I don't like it. And when me set my mind, so I'm gonna like something. I don't know if it's because of the color or what. Let me see. So guys, tell me what you think about this. But it's not bad, you know. Not bad, but it's just the color. The color of it is what I don't fancy. I wanted something that's more thicker. And this is a bit too thin. Cut off to put on a marina underneath it. Okay. For me to print my channel on this, I was thinking about putting it like on the back here and somewhere here. I'm thinking about putting my channel name, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna print it on that shirt here. Honestly, I'm not fancy that shirt here. It's too thin for my likings. It's too thin for my likings. I want something more thick and more cotton, because cotton, it's best. Cotton is the best thing to wear. Welcome, welcome. I rather to wear cotton than these silky material thing, because with them silky material here, you tend to sweat a lot, and you want something that can absorb the sweat when you start sweat. And this, it's not bad, but it's not that bad, but oh gosh, not the thing that I fancy. I don't fancy it. Let's see if I can, if I can fix what this coat was. Welcome everyone, welcome. Guys, go ahead and like up the stream, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I would really appreciate it. Welcome everyone, welcome. So anyone know where I can get some nice shirts to print on? Can let me know where I could order it from. Because the one here with me have, I'm not fancy it. This green shirt that I get. This one not too, but it's not too bad enough. But the problem that I have with it, it's a little bit too thin. So whatever I have underneath, it's going to show. And I don't want that. I don't want whatever color bra I have on, it's gonna be printing out. I got like, I think it was 3 of them shirt here I get. Uh, yeah, 3 of the shirts I bought. I bought 3 of them. But after I buy them, I don't like them again. Guys, I put them back in the drawer. I buy them, but I don't like them again. But I may just have to just work with whatever I have. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. Hold on, let me highlight your name. Tall, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. How are you doing? I hope that all is well. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, guys. Um, Hold on. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like up the stream as you enter. So, guys, what I want to do, I want to create a group. I want to have a group of people who I know is going to be active on my channel and so forth. I think I would have to get a different, like a phone number where I could put out so persons can reach out to me. Because I don't want to put my personal number out. So, oh no. Don't want to put my personal number out. But welcome, welcome everyone. Like and share, guys. Let me refresh this. Because you know what my friend say, guys? Too, my office refresh the message, filter out the message because person will come in and they will talk and I don't see them. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I realized even this morning I went into a live stream and I was there texting and nobody responded. And it's because I know that they don't see it, because they see it when they're doing a live stream. You see that little round circle that you see, you have to press on it and filter the message from top message because it's gonna stick on top. So you have to put it on all message. So every minute you have to be keep on filtering that out so you can see every message that comes up. Because the next thing too, YouTube will see something as a spam, which actually it's not a spam, But I don't know what's going on. Let me see if I still have this thing on my channel. Because I put Nightbot on my channel. I'm not sure if it's a work same way. I don't show. See. See, you see how it's dropping it right now? So right now I'm gonna remove it from my channel because I realize Nightbot not dropping the link. It's not dropping the link as how it's supposed to drop it. Because when I come back and I use my other device to look at it, I can't go over to the link that Nightbot dropping. So it doesn't spell sense having Nightbot in my chat. It doesn't spell sense. So what am I gonna write about now? Up community moderation. All right, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take out Nightbot because I'm not this one. look for where I put it so I can moderate. So I don't want it on my. I don't want it in my live stream because it doesn't make sense having it there and it's not doing what it's supposed to do. If it's not doing what it's supposed to do, why having it in my stream? That's just waste of time. Just waste of time. Welcome everyone. Alright, so I'm gonna move it now. So it's not on my channel anymore. So let me go and Nightbot is no longer a part of my channel because that when Nightbot drop furnish. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you guys so much. Even though I'm gonna have a lot of person coming at the stream and I talk, but overall the views good. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to come view my channel because it's not even an hour and I got to the rest. Because sometimes and everything good for talk, Sometimes you have to just love some things. That's what I have to privacy. Allow user to mention me about your location, but contacts. Welcome everyone, welcome. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. General. Remind me to take a break. Remind. Welcome everyone. And receive badge across YouTube platform. HD quality upload. Live stream chat. Turn off super chat. Order please. Welcome everyone, welcome. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. When I get to know I'm excited about until when the stream done. A long time I see this person in a live stream. Actually, I change up my channel. I appreciate everyone that's come to my platform. If I say I don't appreciate you guys, I'll be lying. I would be lying. Trust me. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome, welcome. So guys, it's almost a hour. I made some beetroot and carrot with ginger. No sugar added to it. Guys, I make them juice here. I'm not put no sugar to it. And it doesn't taste bad or anything like that, you know. Tastes really good. Once you put it to cool, good to go. And guys, at this morning, we get up early and blend it out. The beetroot, the carrot, and the ginger. Yeah. And I just use bottled water to blend it. I'm gonna put no whole heap of water in it, guys, because I don't want it to be watery. I like anything that I'm making to have body. So, and that's about half jug of juice. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. So guys, I have like 3 minutes left back. This guys, it tastes so refreshing. Cheers. Mm. Guys, I'm not sure it tastes good. It tastes good and there's no sugar to it or anything like that. See, the less sugar you can have in your body, it better for you. So for instance, you feel like you want a little sweetness, it's best to use the honey than the sugar. The sugar, stay far away as possible from the sugar. I try to stay far as possible away from sugar because I know so sugar not good for your body. And it's worse when you're going up in age. Hmm. After you pass after you pass 25, you're no longer young, so then time that you need to start care more for your body, I have to be mindful of what you put on the inside. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for supporting my platform. And to everyone who passed through my live stream this morning, thank you. To everyone who subscribed to my live stream, thank you. And for everybody who shared my live stream, thank you. Much love to you all. So guys, I have a aloe vera that I want to arrange a blend with the aloe vera. For kind of think about the bitterness. Cause let me tell you something. I cannot stand bitterness. I hate bitterness. Someone want get a orange, either orange or a grapefruit to blend with it. It's just something to detox. Cause you want to detox your body. So all of the junk you go eat up in a December and something. And for the ones and whenever purge out all of them junk there, a good time now for detox your body. So want to do something there. Want get the aloe. I have the aloe vera already, so it's only for me to get an orange or a grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the hardest thing to get right about now, but I just want to mix it with something that have a little sweetness to it that would take away the bitterness because me can't manage the bitterness. Not gonna lie. Hold on. Can't manage the bitterness. So because I cannot manage the bitterness, I want something can sleep. Refreshing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. It's officially 1 hour now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Love you all. Bye.